So guys, here you can see more and me came about the full stack web development. And in full stack web development, we are starting from our front end web development, and in front end web development, we start from our first language by the name of HTML. And in today's HTML video, I'm telling about the HTML watercolors. So yeah, I'm telling about the associated video start to end, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also so never miss our any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So now, without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, in today's full stack web development video, I am telling you about the in the HTML watercolors. So now let's get started lesson about the watercolors in HTML. So let me tell you about without wasting any time. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names with predefined color names like or with RGB, hex, HSL, HSL, RGB or HSLA. In the HTML there are five types of color like RGB color, hex colors, HSL color, RGBA color and HSLA values. So I make the videos in the parts, but in today's video I am only telling you about the colors, okay? But I am making the video in the parts. In the next video I told you about the RGB and RGBA, and the next video I told you about the hex and HSL. Then the next video I told you about the HSLA. And the video I will make the video in the part. I am not telling you this that whole RGB, hex, HSL, RGB and HSLA values in the one video. I am make the video in the parts, okay? So now, but anyways, now color names. In HTML, a color can be specified by using the color name. Like you will be use the in the HTML, you color can be specified by using the color name. Here I give the tomato. If I write color, should be tomato. So that give me the tomato color. Then if you say orange, so it give you the orange color. If you say darker blue, so it give you this. Then medium sea green, so then it gives you medium sea green. Then if you say gray, so it give you the gray. Then if you say slate blue, it give you the slate blue. If you say violet, so it give you the violet. And if you say light gray, so it give you the light gray. And let me do you one more thing. HTML supports 140 standard color names. 140 color standard names. When I click it here, so it will contain a 140 standard color names. And if you want to see which type of 140 standard color names, so you can go on the Google and say tell me 140 standard color names in HTML. So then it will be told you like there are like this type of. And if you want to learn all the 47 colors, so you can go here and you will be see it. You go on any website and you will be see it like that. Here you can see it. Now background color. You can set the background color for HTML elements also. Let me show you. Let me give you the background color to the HTML elements. So let me show you how to do it. So in this code we are using the syntax editor. So let me open my Sublime, and I'm making this file and then I make a new file, then I save as, and I'm making this file on my documents, and my file name should be index.html, and I'm making this file on my documents, and yes, press. And then what I'm writing here, first of all I write like HTML, then this whole code will come, and I'm writing here colors. Now here I'm writing like P, and here I'm writing like this is the background color. And in the P element, I'm giving the background color should be style. To define the background color, first of all you style, then you write here background, then slash should be color. And this type of one thing has been given. Then you write here your color. I'm writing my color should be red. So now I'm giving the H1. Then in the H1 I'm writing like this is the heading in background color. And then here I'm writing like style, and I'm giving him should be background color should be blue. Now save it, and then I run it, so it give me like this. Here you can see it give me the background color. Okay, here you can see one is giving the red and one is giving the dark blue. Why? Because I write here blue. If I write here yellow, so it give me the yellow. Here you can see it like that. You can do it, and you will be change it also. How to give you the text color? You can set the color of text also. How? Let me tell you. Like, let me show you. If I go here and if I say, hey, I do not liking the background color, I give the color to text. To do this, you only write color, then enter press, then you write here blue violet, and now in the paragraph I'm giving the color shall be violet. Save it and run it. So it give me the violet. Here you can see like that. So if you say to give me the green, or if I say green, if I say sky blue, save it and run it. So it give me like the sky blue color and the sea green. Here you can see, sorry, green. Okay, like that you can give you the color of your yeah, like that you can give the color to your text and like to your background. So border color, how to give the color to the border? How? Let me tell you. You can set the color of the borders also. How? Let me tell you. To do this, you only write here border, enter, then 2 pixels solid should be blue. Then here I am writing like border 2 pixels solid should be red. Save it and run it. So it give me the color to the border. Here you can see it also, and you will also change the color if anyone you write any color you want. So you will be write it here. If you want yellow, so you give the yellow color also and save it and run it. So give the yellow color. Here you can see it. So like that you can give the color to your border also. And now color values. In HTML, color can be also specified by using the RGB values, hex values, HSL values, RGBA values and HSLA values. But in the upcoming videos, I will be told you that all things, and I make a different part in the part video. In the parts I make the video and I told you about the RGB values and hex values and HSL values and RGBA values and HSLA values. Okay. The following 3 div elements have their background color set with RGB, hex and HSL values. Here is one example. Here I do it. The following 2 div elements have their background color set with RGBA and HSLA values, which add an alpha channel to the color. Here we have 50% transparency. Here you can see it. Now, here you can see it. Here I give the RGB, HSL and HSL and RGBA. But in the next video, I will make a one detail. In the upcoming video, I make a one full concept clear video. Okay, but I'm telling you like a part. I'm telling you this. Okay, now save it and run it. So it give me like this. Why does it give me like this? First of all, I give the RGB 255, 99 and 71. Then it give me like this, and then in the second one I say I only write the color, then it give me like this, and then here I write like HSL 900% and 64%, so it give me like this, and then here I say 255, 99, 71, 0.5, and I also add alpha. This is the 0.5 is a alpha, and if you don't know what is alpha, what is lightness, what is saturation, what is that all thing, but in the upcoming videos I will be told you that, and I make a different video. And then 900%, 64%, 0.5, and it give me in the light, very light. Why is very light? Because his lightness is 64%. Okay. Now, like that. So in the upcoming videos, I make a in the parts I make a video. In the next video, I told you about the RGB and RGBA color, and in the next video, I told you about the HSL and then HSLA values. Then in the next video, I told you about the hex values. Okay, I'm making the videos in the parts of the HTML colors. But anyways, I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our any future latest videos about the HTML. And in today's video, we learn about in the HTML watercolors. So I hope you enjoy this class. So now, without wasting on any time, I meet you next lesson, next very amazing class. And in today's video, we see that how to give the color to your background, how to give the color to your border, how to give the color to your text, and many much more things. So now, for today, goodbye.